There's Sarah's car.
There's my car. It's completely flooded.
The side. The lights are on because they won't turn off. Sorry, Sarah, but we can laugh. I mean,
We can laugh at this point.
car.
It's just a
We have
car.
at least one car. We have my car.
Yeah, we'll be all right. I mean, like, look at this Honda over here that the owner probably doesn't even know what's going on.
Y'all don't need to be walking in this stuff, though. It's seriously, it could be...
Sewage.
Yeah. Ooh, I'm gonna take that.
I don't know, man. This is insane. Water line on everything.
I'm sure it was your car, huh?
It's crazy, man. It's still raining. This went down and now it's all the way back up. There's my car. Bye, car.